Good morning and assalamu alaikum. I hope so you all are doing good. Today we will do direct and indirect speech of imperative type of sentence. Now what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is a sentence in which a request, an advice or an order is made. For example, please fetch me a glass of water. Please listen to me. Be quiet. Be in line. Always speak the truth. Whenever you have got please in a sentence, it means that a request is being made. Now, if you notice in all these examples, there is no subject given. Means no noun or pronoun is given at the beginning of the sentence. Only a request, a command, or an advice is being given. When changing an imperative sentence into indirect form of speech, following rules are followed. Verb is changed into the infinitive, and reported speech is introduced by some verbs expressing command or request. Means in reporting speech we use words like tell, ask, order, request, beg, appeal, advise in the place of the word said. For example, he said to her, please fetch me a glass of water. Now in this sentence a request is being made. So the word said in reporting speech will be replaced with the word requested. He requested her sister to fetch him a glass of water. The word please has been omitted and verb fetch is changed into to infinitive. He requested her sister to fetch him a glass of water. Now me, the objective form of word I, is changed into him, third person pronoun. He said to her, please listen to me. Again a request is being made over here and the word said can be replaced by the word begged. He begged her to listen to him. To infinitive is added over here. The teacher said, be quiet. The teacher ordered to be quiet. The teacher said to the students, be in line. The teacher ordered, or you can also say the teacher commanded the students to be in line. The mother said to her children, always speak the truth. The mother advised her children to always speak the truth. When we change an imperative sentence into indirect form of speech, other rules are same as used in changing the simple sentence or statement into indirect form of speech. Like the pronoun given in reported speech is changed according to the pronoun given in reporting speech. The tense is also changed according to the tense of reporting speech. Like if we have past tense in reporting speech, then the reported speech will also be changed into past tense. And if we are having present or future tense, then the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Like in first example, the pronoun is changed according to the pronoun of reporting speech, the pronoun given in reported speech. Like he said to her sister, please fetch me a glass of water. Me, first person pronoun, object form of first person pronoun is changed into object form of third person pronoun, because we have got third person pronoun in reporting speech. So the rest of the rules are same as we use in changing a simple sentence as statement. Only the verb is changed into infinitive form, and the words or the verb in reporting speech is changed according to the sense of sentence. Like if request is being made, then we will use requested instead of said. And if an order is being made, then we will use ordered or commanded. And if an advice is being given, then we will use the word advise.